Have you ever wondered what our muscles are made up of? Muscle tissues are actually composed of these long elongated cells that form the muscle fiber. Muscle fiber helps us in the movement and locomotion of our body. So muscle tissues are divided into three different categories based on their functions: striated muscle tissues, unstriated, and cardiac muscle tissues. Now, suppose Mary here wants to lift this box from the ground. How will she do so? She will control the muscles in her limbs to lift it. So the muscles that you can control and will them to act whenever you need it are called voluntary or striated muscles. If you look at these voluntary muscles under the microscope, you will see that they have dark and light bands on them, or even the striations, and therefore the name striated muscles. Now what about those muscles that control the passage and movement of food in your intestines, or the muscle in your iris of the eye which controls the size of your pupils? You do not control them or will them to do so. You can't stop or start their function. This is why they are called involuntary muscles, or just the opposite of striated, unstriated muscles. And lastly, we have cardiac muscles. As the name suggests, you find them only in the heart. They are involuntary muscles, which means they function all throughout the life without our control. They contract and relax rhythmically throughout their life. They never stop. So what have we learned today? We learned about muscle tissues, that they're made up of long elongated cells, and the three types of muscle tissues, which are voluntary or striated muscle tissues, involuntary or unstriated muscle tissues, and lastly, cardiac muscle tissues. So until next time, happy learning!